Okay, students, this is the 13th part of matrices. Today also I am going to explain problems based on determinants. So here my first problem. A, B, C are different. A comma B comma C all are different. Then det of this equal to 0. Then show that A, B, C equal to 1. Okay, so I want to take LHS here. That is A square AQ minus 1, B square BQ minus 1, C square CQ minus 1. Okay, so yeah, I want change R2 nana, R2 as R2 minus R1 and which is better. Okay, that one will better. Okay, R3 changed as R3 minus R1. Okay, I want write A square AQ minus 1 as it is. Here B minus A, here B square minus A square, here BQ minus A cube. Direct step nana. BQ minus A minus of AQ minus 1. After opening that minus, 1 get cancelled, you get BQ minus A cube. Here C minus A, here C square minus A square, here CQ minus AQ. This is resulting matrix. Okay. So not LHS nana equal 0 given, no, just that is not correct. Given that I will write given equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, students, here from R2 I can take B minus A common. Here B minus A, here 1 by B minus A, here also B minus A, because BQ minus AQ can be written as B minus A into B square plus AB plus B square only. That's why here B minus A, and from R3 I can take C minus A, just like common. So what we will get now? B minus A into C minus A into first row as it is. So this is here 1, here B plus A, here B square plus AB plus A square. Here 1, here C plus A, here C square plus AC plus A square equal to 0. Okay. Next, so we know what is our plan. I want to make number of zeros, no? Number of zeros. That's why I want to make R3 here 0, R3 minus R1. I want to R3 minus R1. I want to do next page now, that one. Okay, R3 changed as R3 minus R2. What is the meaning of that? First row as it is 1, I think. What is that? A square, A square, AQ minus 1 as it is. 1 B plus A and B square plus AB plus A square as it is. No changes will not. 0 here. Okay, 0. Here 0. So what here? C plus A minus B minus A. That is, sorry, A get C minus B. Okay, C minus B here. So next, what is this? I will write C square plus AC plus A square minus B square minus AB minus A square. Minus A square plus A square get cancelled. C square minus B square right at one place. From these two you can take A common, you get C minus B. So this is C plus B into C minus B plus A times of C minus B. You can take C minus B common, we get A plus B plus C. C minus B of A plus B plus C. Here C minus B of A plus B plus C. Okay, equal to 0. Here two more things, no? B minus A into, here B minus A into C minus A is there. I want cross check B minus A. Okay. Now again from R3 I can take C minus B common, just like. So what happened on here? B minus A into C minus A into C minus B, A square AQ minus 1 1 b plus a, here b square plus ab plus a square, 0 1, yeah, a plus b plus c. Okay, so any more zeros? Okay, here also I can get 0. I will show you how to. Here because a comma b comma c numbers, no, here. So that's why R2 changed as AR2 minus R1. Okay, so first of all, what happened? B minus A into C minus A into C as it is. Yeah, first row as it is. Second row changing. A into R2. A into 1, A minus A is 0. A into R2 means AB plus A square. Minus R1 minus A square. What happened? AB will get here. A into R2 means AB square plus A square B plus A cube minus this A cube plus 1. These two get cancelled. What I got I will write here. AB square plus A square B plus 1. So remaining as it is 0, 1, A plus B plus C. Okay, now I want find its det equal to 0, equal to 0. I forgot to write that. That's not a big problem. Now directly I want find the det by taking this column. Okay, A into what? This into this minus this into this. I will write in next page. So what I got, I will write B minus A into C minus A into C minus B. One more, I want to cross it. Okay. Into what is that, Nana? A times of, you need to write one det, small det equal to 0. I will write what is that. So this row, this column should remove, no? AB, here, yes, AB square, A square B. AB square plus A square B plus 1. Next 1 A plus B plus C. Okay, what is this, Nana? B minus A into C minus A into C minus B into A into what is this? AB times of A plus B plus C minus AB square plus A square B plus 1. This is in bracket equal to 0. So what is this? B minus A into C minus A into C minus B into A. So now I want multiply here. A square B plus AB square plus ABC minus AB square minus A square B minus 1 equal to 0. Some cancellations here. This will get cancelled. What will get? B minus A into C minus A into C minus B thing. This is C minus B. Okay. Into A into what you got done here? ABC minus 1 equal to 0. Just like x into y into z into p equal 0 means either this equal 0 or this equal 0 or this equal 0 or this equal 0. But clearly given ABC are distinct, no? That's why this never 0, this never 0, this never 0, this may be 0 or this may be 0. I will write either A equal to 0 or ABC minus 1 equal to 0. That is A equal to 0 or ABC, sorry, A into B into C equal to 1. This one only you want. If in the problem A and B and C are different and non-zero, means directly I can say that our answer ABC equal to 1. But here it not mentioned about ABC, no. Just ABC are different. Different means A is not equal to B, B not equal to C and A not equal to C. But not given that they are non-zero number. They should give like that. And A comma B comma C not equal to 0. Directly then what final answer? Final answer should be only ABC equal to 0. Now what I can say? A equal 0 or ABC equal to 1. Yeah, next 14th question. A comma B comma C are distinct, means different. Means A is not equal to B and B not equal to C and A is not equal to C. Then we want to prove that this det equal to this. So LHS I want to take here. That is 1 1 1 A B C A cube, B cube, C cube. Students, listen. Students, here you want to generate zeros. So C2 is changed as C2 minus C1 and C3 changed as C3 minus C1. So what happened? Observe here. First row, column as it is. A 0, B minus A, B cube minus A cube, 0, C minus A, C cube minus A cube. Yeah, students, from first second column I want to take B minus A common, just like third column I want to take C minus A common. First row, first column as it is, second column 0, here 1, here B square plus AB plus A square, here 0, here 1, here C square plus CA plus A square. Okay, again I want to make it a 0, here I want to make it 0, so that's why what I am doing now, C3 changed as C3 minus C2. Okay, where should I write? Okay, next page. Here only I want to write. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. B minus A into C minus A into, yeah, first column as it is, second column also as it is. Next, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 0, correct only. So C square plus AC plus A square minus B square minus AB minus C square. What happened here? C square get cancelled. From this AC, AB I can take A common, C minus B will get. From these two terms, something wrong. A square, okay, CA correct only. C square plus AC plus A square minus B square minus AB minus A square, this one, not C. Wait. What happened, Nana? This A square get cancelled. What are the remaining? C square minus B square remaining. C plus B into C minus B. From these two terms you can take plus A common, C minus B. Total you can take C minus B common. What will get? A plus B plus C one. So what will get done here? C minus B into A plus B plus C. Again, from third column I am taking C minus B common. But the property of determinant you can write as A minus B into C minus A into C minus B. So where is that? Here. So 1 A cube, 0 1 B square plus AB plus A square, 0 0, here what happened? A plus B plus C. Okay, now I want to find det by using any one of them. No, I want to find det by using this column. Okay, so A B minus A into C minus A into C minus B into 1 into this row, this column is removed. What happened? 1 0 B square plus AB plus A square, A plus B plus C. Okay, students. Yeah, what should write, Nana? B minus A into C minus B into C minus, this is C minus A, C minus B into, yeah, this into this minus this into this. What is that? A plus B plus C minus 0. So what happened in the given problem? A minus B you want. I want to take minus common here. A minus B into C minus A as it is. Here also I want to take minus common. What happened? B minus C into A plus B plus C. So this minus into minus plus only. Final result, A minus B into C minus A into B minus C into A plus B plus C, which is RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, students, next our 15th problem. Yeah, delta of this should find. After that you need to find range of delta. First of all you want to find delta, Nana. So I think no need to use any transformations. Directly I want to find, because all simple quantities only. So directly I want to find delta equal to 1 into 1 minus of my plus sine square theta minus sine theta into, I am using this column nana, sine theta into minus sine theta plus sine theta minus sine theta plus sine theta plus 1 into sine square theta plus 1 sine square theta plus 1 cross check. Okay, delta equal to 1 plus sine square theta here, here also 1 plus sine square, this is 0 only, no? 2 times of 1 plus sine square theta. Now you want to find its range, easy problem only, no? What is the problem? Questions, we know that sin theta belongs to minus 1 to 1 in respect of theta. Sin square theta belongs to closer to 0 to 1 only, no? What is the meaning of that? 0 lesser than or equal to sin square theta lesser than equal to 1. So 1 should add either side. 1 lesser than or equal to 1 plus sin square theta 2. 2 should multiply. 2 lesser than or equal to 2 times of 1 plus sin square theta lesser than or equal to 4. What is the meaning of that? 2 lesser than or equal to delta lesser than or equal to 4 indirectly. So delta belongs to closer 2 to 4. So minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 4. So delta value is between 2 to 4. This is the range of delta. 16th problem. So 16th problem, important model. Listen students, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 matrix is given. We want add this matrix with 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 for example. So what will get new matrices, Nana? 1 plus 0, 4 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 1 plus 7. This is the new matrix. What is the determinant of this new matrix? What is the actual this matrix? Now 1, 6, 8, 8, 7. What is this? 8 plus 3, I think. Okay, 11. Yeah, this is 8. This is 12. So this is 8. Yeah, what is the data of this matrix? 1, 6, 8, 8, 7, 11, 8, 11, 12, 8 matrix data. Same as data of this matrix plus data of this matrix. So determinant of A plus B is equal to data of A plus data of B if they are of the same order. Okay, if two matrices are of same order, then only you can add, no? That's why this date plus this date is nothing but this date. What I am saying, this date plus this date nothing but this. So interesting property, no? Already I explained. See here, this equal to this. What is the meaning of this? A, B, C, P plus Q, R plus S, some L plus K. Yeah, for example, X, Y, Z. Det is same as A, B, C, P, R, L and X, Y, Z plus 0, 0, 0, Q, S, K, 0, 0, 0. These two are same now. Add them. We get this matrix only now. Data of this matrix is same as data of this matrix. Okay, now these two are same now. So data of this matrix equal to data of this matrix plus data of this matrix. Because what I wrote here I will show you, but what I wrote A plus 0 actually I wrote here. Here B plus 0, C plus 0, X plus 0, Y plus 0, Z plus 0. I separated this and this one matrix plus this and this and this another matrix. So these two are same. So using this concept you can solve problem number 16. Important model, very very important model. Listen all of you. Here X, 2x, 3x, x plus y, 3x plus 2y and 6x plus 3y, x plus y plus z, 4x plus 3y plus 2z, 10x plus 6y plus 3z equal to 64. Students, listen how I am splitting. I am writing here 0, here 0, here 0. How I am writing? Observe here. This is same as x, 2x, 3x, x, 3x, 6x, x, 4x, 10x plus 0, 0, 0, y, 2y, 3y, and y plus z, 3y plus 2z, 6y plus z equal to 64. Again further you can split this, no use of that, because in this matrix one column is 0 means automatically data of this total matrix 0 only, no, by the property of determinants. So already here one column is 0, 0, 0 means automatically data of that matrix 0 only. So from here one column I want to take x common, second column another x, third column another x. I will write x into x into x. So what I can write 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 10 plus 0 equal to 64. What is the meaning of that? X cube into, now I want to find that directly, I want to find that 1 into 30 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 1 into, actually we need to use row transformations or column transformation. No need to use just numbers, no, directly you can find. Yeah, what is that? 20 minus 12, 20 minus 12 plus 1 into 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9 equal to 0. So somewhere I want to write, I want to erase this line. Very, very important model, students. So this is 17th problem till up to 16th, till up to 16th problem we won't get this type of model. X cube into this is 30 minus 24, 6 minus 20 minus 12 is 8 plus that is 3 equal to 64. So x cube equal to 6 plus 3, 9, 8, 1 equal to 64. Then x equal to 4. The value of x equal to 4. Super problem, interesting problem. Okay, students, our next problem, 17th problem. Okay, so a not equal to p, b not equal to q, c not equal to r, and data of this equal to 0. Then find the value of this expression. So this was interesting problem only, students. Listen, Nana. P, B, C, A, Q, C, A, B, R equal to 0. So directly you can find determinant of this matrix equating to 0. We get the result, but it will take time. So logical you want to find. Logical means using transformations. P minus A I want. That is P minus A means I want change R1 as R1 minus R2. Okay. Next Q minus B. Q minus B. Q minus B. R2 changed as Q minus B means R2 minus R3. Later we will get R minus, that is not big problem. So what happened, I will write down here. This is P minus A, this is B minus Q, this is 0. Here R2 minus R3, A minus A 0, Q minus B, C minus R, last row as it is, equal to 0. Okay, students, now just directly find the determinant of the matrix taking this row. So what is that? P minus A, okay, into data of the matrix, that row, that column should remove, Q minus B, C minus R, B and R, minus of B minus Q into that row, that column should remove, Nana. So what happened here? 0, C minus R, A, R equal to 0. So what is this? P minus A, that is, P minus A into Q minus B into R minus B into C minus R. Actually you need to write a bracket, now no need to. What next, Nana? B minus Q into, this into this 0 minus A into C minus R. What you got, I want to write directly here. P minus A into R into Q minus B minus B into P minus A into C minus R. Okay, this minus plus B minus Q into A into C minus R. So now I want find what you want here. P minus A, okay. Q minus B, okay. P minus, okay. C minus R, here I want change symbol. Here B minus Q, I want change here symbol. C minus, here also I want change symbol. So directly this is nothing but 0 only, no, sorry, 0. Yeah, R into P minus A into Q minus B. Nana. Here minus is taken, here plus, it becomes plus B into P minus A into R minus C. Here 1 minus here 1 minus, totally plus A into B minus Q into, sorry, you need to take common, no, minus Q minus, sorry, Q minus B into R minus C equal to 0. Now observe, Nana, in denominator we want P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. That's why dividing P minus A into Q minus B into R minus C on both sides. We can divide because this is a non-zero number, no, because I already given P A is not equal to P B not equal to something like that. So directly I want to write step R by P minus A, Q minus Q cancel, R minus C will get. Plus B by here, P minus A get cancelled, R minus C get cancelled, Q minus B. Plus what? A by Q minus B, R minus C get cancelled, P minus A equal to 0. But what you want, Nana, here you want P, here Q, here R. So this term you got R by R minus C. Next Q minus B, here Q you want. That's what I am doing. Logical step here. R by R minus C, no change. Plus here B minus Q plus Q by Q minus B. Plus A plus P minus P by P minus A equal to 0. Okay, students. Now I want to write in order. Yeah, first term as it is. Yeah, next one, observe all of you, minus 1 plus Q by Q minus B. Observe, Nana. B minus Q by Q minus B, reverse, no, that's why minus 1 you will get, plus Q by Q minus B as it is. Okay. Plus, yeah, what do you want next? P by, yeah, okay, this P by P minus Q, P by P minus A, sorry. Next after A minus P, A minus plus 1 equal to 0. Observe. Minus 1. Okay, sorry. A minus P, P minus 1. So what happened? R by R minus C plus Q by Q minus B plus P by P minus A equal to 2. Therefore, the value of the required expression equal to 2. Okay, this is the required value now. Okay, 18 problem. This is also logical problem. If A, B, C are in AP, then find the value of this expression. A, comma, B, comma, C are in AP. What is that? 2B equal to A plus C. Relation 1. So, I think this is logical question only. Delta of x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus A, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus B, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus C value want. So what I can write by property x plus 1 2 3 2 3 4 ABC. So interesting step, no? This one excellent step. Okay, by using property automatically this 0 only, no? Any two columns are rows are identical, determinant of that matrix 0, obviously 0. Plus just I want to find determinant of this matrix 1 into 3C minus 4B minus 2 into 2C minus 3B plus A into 8 minus 9. I want to write here 3c minus 4b minus 4c plus 6b here minus a. This is the data of the value. Now I want to simplify this. 3c minus c plus 2b. Yeah, a, where is a? I think somewhere I made a mistake here. A. Okay, minus a, correct only. So this is nothing but, instead of this 2b, what should write now? Instead of 2b, a plus a can write. So minus c plus a plus c minus a. What is this? 0 only, no? From 1. So finally the value of this expression equal to the value of the determinant equal to 0. Okay. Okay students, next 19th problem. This is also interesting problem only. Logic. X minus y you want, means automatically you want subtract R2 from R1, then only you get x minus y. Or do one thing, Nana. So from first row I can take x power n common. Second row I can take y power n common. Third row I can take z power n common. What will get? I will write here 1, here x square, here x cube, here 1, y square, y cube, 1, z square, z cube. Okay. So now you people can identify the next transformation. You want to make these two are zeros. Okay. Next one is R2 changed as R2 minus R1. R3 changed as R3 minus R1. So x, y, z whole power n as it is into first row no change, later I will change it, just now I want to write as it is 0 y square minus x square y cube minus x cube 0 z square minus x square z cube minus x cube. Okay. So what next I will write, Nana, here? Okay. Yeah, what is that? X, y, so I will write next page. Okay. X, y, z whole power n. Students, listen now, interesting step is, from second row I can take y minus x common. This is y plus x into y minus x. Y minus x into y square plus xy plus x square, a cube minus b cube. Y minus x I can take common. Okay, y minus x is taken common. From third row I can take z minus x common. Z minus x. No, I want to write remaining things. 1 x cube. I think 1 x square x cube as it is. Yeah. Next y plus x will be here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Here what happened? 0 y plus x. Y plus x left. Here y square plus yx plus x square should left 0. So what is left here? Z plus x, z plus x, z square plus zx plus x square. Okay. So do one thing. R3 changed as R3 minus R2. Then x, y, z whole power n, y minus x into z minus x into, now observe. So first row as it is, second row as it is, this is 0, z plus x minus y minus x, x get again, z minus y. Z minus y. Okay, here z square plus zx plus x square minus y square minus yx minus x square. Minus x square plus x square get cancelled. So z square minus y square means z plus y into z minus y. Okay, plus what are the remaining, Nana? From these two terms I can take x common, z minus x. Totally z minus, sorry, what is this? Z minus y means z minus y only should get, no? z minus y should get, not z minus y. Z square minus y square. Okay. After z minus y means x means z minus y only, no? I wrote wrong, z minus y. Okay. Z minus y is taken common. So what is left with us? X plus y plus z. I will write that here. Z minus y into x plus y plus z. So what happened? From last R3 column, I can take z minus y common. What will left? I will write x, y, z whole power n into y minus x into z minus x into z minus y. So as it is, I wanted 1 x square x cube 0 y plus x y square plus xy plus x square 0 1 x plus y plus z. Okay, now I want to find the determinant by using this. Now I am finalizing. Listen students. Yeah, x y z whole power n into what you want? I want cross check. Yeah, x minus y, reverse. Here 1 minus should take common. Next is y minus z, here 1 minus common. Next y minus z, after what is that? Z minus x. Yeah, this is as it is. Here minus, total gives positive, no problem. X minus y into z minus x into y minus z into, I want to take this column to find determinant. 1 into, so which one? This row, this column should remove. So what I will get? Y plus x, y square plus xy plus x square 1 x plus y plus z. So you know that now how to find the data of 2 by 2. AD minus BC, AD, this one, xy z whole power n into x minus y into z minus x into y minus z. Okay, into, yeah, I wanted bracket y plus x into x plus y plus z minus 1 into that is minus y square minus xy minus x square. Now I want to simplify here this portion only. Yeah, yx plus y square plus yz plus x square plus xy plus xz minus y square minus xy minus x square y square xy get cancelled. So what is left? I will write x y z whole power n into x minus y into z minus x into y minus z into xy plus yz plus zx. Yeah, actually what you want here, xy plus yz, zx by xyz you want. That's why throughout I want multiply with xyz and divide with xyz, no problem. No? So what happened here? I am dividing with xyz and multiply with xyz. So what happened to this? xyz whole power n plus 1 into x minus y into z minus x into y minus z. So into what is this? Division 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now I want to read the problem. Yeah, this equal to this into this one into this. Then what is the value of n? What is the meaning of this? Where is that? Okay, this term should be 1. This term should be 1. This term should be 1. Okay, that is xyz whole power n plus 1 should be 1. The meaning of that, n plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, n equal to minus 1. The value of n equal to minus 1. Students, next problem, 20th problem, interesting problem. I want to take LHS first. What is that, Nana? 1 plus a minus b square. Sorry, a square also there. 2ab minus 2b, 2ab, 1 minus a plus b square, 2a, 2b, minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. So this is LHS. So some row or column operation should apply to get this result. Okay, what I am doing? So C1 changed as C1 plus BC3. Why? Observe now. Why I am doing like this? If so next I want change C2 also. C2 changed as C2 plus AC3. Observe what happened. Yeah, first column is changing. Oh, sorry, column, no, this one, okay, no problem. C1, BC3. My intention is I want to make B, okay, these two are zeros. Here, I want to make 0, that's why. With using a row transformations, you can make this is 0, that is not a big problem. R3 with R1, you get the result, that is not is big problem. Any method you can use. So column 1 means 1 plus A square minus B square should added BC3 means minus B square, no, here. So what I want, if I subtract, what happened? Observe, subtraction, not plus, subtraction minus BC3 means what happened? Minus or minus, already minus is there, no? Okay, no problem. What will get? Plus 2B square. So what is that? 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay. Next, 9. Next, 2AB minus, I think, no, minus BC3 means 2AB. So these two get cancelled, 0 will get here. So what is the meaning here? Minus, nana, minus C1 minus BC3. Okay. 2B minus BC3. B plus A B square plus B cube. So 2B plus B plus AB square plus B cube. Take B common, what happened? 1 plus A square only. So what I can write? B into 1 plus A square I can write. So column 1 completed, now column 2, that also I want cross together, plus or minus. Okay, C2, my target is 2, here I want 1 plus A square I want here, that's why A square this one, 1 minus A square plus B square, that plus 2A square I want, plus 2A square. So A square should multiply and to add it to this, correct only this one. So this is correct, okay. Okay, what I can write here? 2AB, yeah, plus AC3, plus AC3, plus AC3, A means minus 2AB, here 0 will get. Here 1 minus A square plus B square plus 2A square. What is the meaning of that? 1 plus A square plus B square will get. Minus 2A, for that what should add an AC3? Addition, no? A minus A cube minus A B square. So minus A cube minus A B square means minus A times of, here what will get? Minus A times of 1 plus B square. So you don't disturb third column as it is. 1 minus A square minus B square. Okay. Yeah, students, now listen. So I want to rub all these things. So first column I want to take A square plus B square C square common. 1 plus A square plus B square. Into second column also I will take 1 plus A square plus B square common. What is left with us? I will write here 1 left, 0 left, B left. Here 0 left, here 1 left, minus A left. Here minus 2B left, here 2A left, 1 minus A square minus B square left. Okay. So this is same as 1 plus A square plus B square into square I can write. Directly I want find data of this matrix by using any one of the column. So I want take this row to find data. Okay. So what is that, Nana? So I will write bracket 1 into some 2 by 2 matrix I want write. What is that? 1, 2A minus A, 1 minus A square minus B square. minus 0 into something I don't want, right? Minus 2b into 0, 1, b minus c. Okay. So what is this? 1 plus a square plus b square whole square bracket, yeah, 1 minus a square minus b square, this into this minus 2a square minus half minus plus 2a square. Okay, minus 2b into, so 0 minus b. So what is this? 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 plus a square. Here minus b square plus 2b square plus b square. So finally what you got? 1 plus a square plus b square cube. I think this only RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So hence proved.